everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Kutsinta. Yay! It's simple to make, yummy and delicious. So here we need tapioca starch, and you can buy it in the supermarket. And plain flour. Then we need white sugar and brown sugar. And then you need pandan flavoring green color. And lye water. And plain water. For this recipe, we'll use 30 grams of plain flour, but you can add more if you want to make more kutsintas. Then add 15 grams of tapioca flour. Then add 40 grams of brown sugar. For the green kutsinta, add white sugar to it. Then add 100 ml of water. Then mix it properly. Then add a few drops of green pandan flavoring. Mix it until it's well combined. Then add 1 teaspoon of lye water. Then mix well. Then on the other mixture, do the same procedure. Add water. Mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of lye water. Then mix it properly. Then put it aside. Then cover it for 1 hour. Now you need to mix it properly. Then drain it. so that all the clumpy parts will stay on the sieve thing. Then prepare the molds. Then pour it in the mold. Then do the same procedure to the other one. Pouring it satisfyingly. It looks like caramel sauce. Or maybe like coffee. Now prepare the steamer. And here it is. Before you put the Kutsinta, make sure the water is boiling under. Then cover it. Then steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's check on it. Ooh, they look good. Like jelly. They look like jelly, right? And if the toothpick is clean, it means it's ready. Let's check on these ones. They are also ready. They look yummy. Then take them out from the mold. Then arrange it on a plate. Here's all of them. Then cut some cheese on top. I have the star stamp, so I can stamp out some stars and put it on the Kutsinta. Then cut more cheese for all of them. Here they are with stars on each Kutsinta. It's ready. Now for the taste test. It's yummy.
Yummy.
Thanks for watching.